Loading up the gear, heading out to McBaine on the Katy Trail. I don't know what this is going to turn out like. Guess it doesn't matter, does it? Got back from the bike ride just in time before this rain shower hit. And we can use the rain, don't get me wrong, but sometimes your timing just works out really well when you've been out biking. So anyway, I just wanted to say thanks for joining me. Thanks for coming along on the ride. I had a good time out there. I didn't put a lot of miles in, maybe 10 miles. It was really about getting some drone footage and some other things and practicing a little bit and saddle time. So just getting back in the groove. Anyhow, thanks again. See you again soon. Hey, Captain Bob here. Just wanted to let you know we have t-shirts and other merch that we're going to be adding to the site. Check it out at captainbob.me/store. Go get yourself a shirt.